Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach some tricks for Excel. First, I want to enter the number 1, then 2, and then I'm so lazy to type the rest of the numbers. So what I need to do is I go to any cell, I type 1, then I type 2. For 3 or 4 or 5, 6, I no need to key in anymore. I just click this one, then shift. Press shift button, don't let go. Then click this. So now this cell and then this cell is highlighted. So what I need to do if I want to fill in the rest of the cells. So I just drag it until the numbers that I want to stop. Let's say I go to here, which means it will fill out the cell until number 6. So that's right. I'm going to type the days. I type Monday. Then I'm so lazy to type the rest of the days like Tuesday until Sunday. So I just need to type on the first cell, which is Monday, then I drag. So I want it to write until Sunday. So I go to here. See? It will auto fill in the rest of the cell with the days of the week. Next, right? I'm going to auto sum two numbers. Let's say this one, number 1. Then this one, number 3. So 1 plus 2 equals to how many? Which is 4, right? So I just need to click this one, and then I press shift button, don't let go, and then click this one. So this cell and then this cell is highlighted. Then whatever numbers you want to have an auto sum, I just highlight it. I just click. After I highlight these two cells, I just need to click auto sum. See, the answer is 4, which is the total sum for 1 plus 3. You can also autofill the months also. Just type January, then we just need to drag it. You see, it will autofill the rest of the months. Not only that, you can also autofill even numbers. Type here 2, then 4. So if you don't want to key in manually the rest of numbers, you just highlight this one or click this one, then press shift, don't let go, then click here to make sure these two cells are highlighted. Then we drag it. See? It will autofill the rest of the even numbers.